on the highway into town and just outside of their hotel, a push to shame the federal Liberals as they caucus this week in Edmonton. Public health advocates, union members, and Albertans with pharmacy bills rallying Tuesday. They say Prime Minister Mark Carney is breaking a Liberal promise to deliver a pharmacare plan that covers contraceptives and diabetes care to all Canadians. About a year after the Pharmacare Act passed in Ottawa, only people in BC, Manitoba, PEI, and the Yukon are covered.
What we know is there's an affordability crisis, that a lot of people can't afford their medications. We hear stories of people choosing between rent and their medication, of rationing, glucose monitoring strips, insulin because they can't get through the month. That's not acceptable.
Leslie Thompson has been living with type 1 diabetes for 30 years. She says pharmacare in Alberta would save her about $500 a month because testing strips and insulin are expensive.
If I start rationing it, I'm not taking as good care of myself. I'm going to end up in the hospital. I'm going to cost more money. This pharmacare program is more than just a simple policy. This means living a healthy life.
But a spokesperson for the federal health minister would not commit to more pharmacare Tuesday, instead saying they are monitoring the 4 agreements already in place. The economic context has changed since the previous government launched its pharmacare program and offered all provinces and territories the opportunity to negotiate agreements. Marjorie Michel's office told City News, unacceptable, say people at this rally.
Folks in Alberta or Saskatchewan don't have the same access to diabetes and contraceptive medications as folks in BC and Manitoba and PEI. It's a matter of fairness, and it's a matter of keeping their promises to voters.
A spokesperson for Alberta says the government here was not consulted on the National Pharmacare Act, and they have concerns about ballooning costs. Instead, Alberta wants Ottawa to help them improve existing provincial drug programs. But people here say they will keep the pressure up until the Prime Minister delivers. From Edmonton, Amato, City News.